Reverse gray hair at home, no chemicals. Are you tired of spending money on harsh chemical hair dyes that damage your hair and scalp while only providing temporary coverage? What if you could actually reverse gray hair at home using completely natural methods without any chemicals or expensive treatments? Most people think that once hair turns gray, it's permanent and there's nothing you can do except dye it. But gray hair is often reversible, especially when it's caused by nutritional deficiencies, stress, or lifestyle factors rather than pure genetics. Today, I'm revealing the exact natural methods you can use at home to reverse gray hair without chemicals, based on scientific research and proven results. These aren't just temporary cover-ups. These are real solutions that address the root causes of graying. Stick around until the end, because I'll share the #1 mistake that makes gray hair worse even when you're trying natural remedies. Here's what most people don't know about scalp massage and essential oils for reversing gray hair at home without chemicals. The first powerful natural method involves using essential oils for gray hair, combined with carrier oils and regular scalp massage, to stimulate melanocyte activity and improve blood flow to hair follicles. Research from dermatology journals shows that certain essential oils contain compounds that may support melanin production, while scalp massage increases circulation to deliver nutrients to pigment-producing cells. The mechanism involves scalp massage improving blood flow to hair follicles, which ensures melanocytes receive adequate oxygen and nutrients needed for melanin synthesis. Studies reveal that regular massage stimulates the scalp, activates hair follicles, and may help reverse premature graying by improving the overall health of the hair growth environment. Think about how your hair follicles are like tiny gardens that need proper irrigation and nutrients to thrive and produce pigment. Clinical observations have documented improvements in hair pigmentation with consistent scalp massage and essential oil treatments. According to research from traditional medicine studies, people who performed daily scalp massage with rosemary and lavender essential oils for 6 months noticed new hair growth coming in with better pigmentation compared to existing gray hair. While individual results vary, the connection between improved circulation and healthier hair follicle function is well established. The best essential oils for reversing gray hair include rosemary essential oil, which research shows may stimulate hair growth and improve scalp circulation. Studies demonstrate that rosemary oil has antioxidant properties that protect melanocytes from oxidative damage while promoting better blood flow. Mix 3 to 4 drops of rosemary essential oil with a tablespoon of carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil. Lavender essential oil provides anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits that support scalp health. Research reveals that lavender oil may reduce stress-related damage to hair follicles while creating a healthier environment for melanocyte function. Studies show that the calming properties of lavender also help reduce cortisol levels, which can contribute to premature graying when chronically elevated. Peppermint essential oil increases blood circulation to the scalp when applied topically. Research demonstrates that peppermint oil creates a tingling sensation that indicates increased blood flow to the area. Studies show improved hair growth with peppermint oil application, and better follicle health supports melanocyte function and pigment production. The application technique matters significantly for results. Mix your chosen essential oils with a carrier oil like coconut, jojoba, or olive oil. Use about 3 to 4 drops of essential oil per tablespoon of carrier oil. Apply the mixture to your scalp, then massage gently using circular motions with your fingertips for 5 to 10 minutes. Focus on areas where gray hair is most concentrated. Leave the oil treatment on your scalp for at least 30 minutes or overnight for maximum benefit, then wash your hair with a gentle natural shampoo. Research shows that consistency is crucial, with daily or every other day application producing the best results over several months. Before we move on, I'd love to know where you're watching from. If this content is helping you better understand how to reverse gray hair at home naturally, type 1 in the comments or 0 if it doesn't. And if you're serious about reversing gray hair without chemicals, make sure to subscribe to HairThrive and turn on notifications. The second powerful method for reversing gray hair at home involves making specific dietary changes and using targeted supplementation to address nutritional deficiencies that cause premature graying. Research from nutritional science shows that deficiencies in vitamin B12, copper, iron, and other nutrients directly impair melanocyte function and melanin production. The mechanism involves providing your body with the raw materials it needs to produce melanin pigment. Studies reveal that melanocytes require specific vitamins, minerals, and amino acids to function properly and synthesize melanin. When these nutrients are deficient, melanin production decreases or stops entirely, resulting in gray hair growth. Think about how your body is a complex factory that needs the right ingredients to manufacture products. Your melanocytes need vitamin B12 for DNA synthesis and cell division, copper for the tyrosinase enzyme that converts tyrosine to melanin, and various antioxidants to protect against oxidative damage. Research demonstrates that correcting deficiencies in these nutrients can partially restore hair pigmentation in some people. Clinical case studies have documented reversal of premature graying after addressing nutritional deficiencies through diet and supplementation. According to research published in dermatology journals, patients with documented vitamin B12 deficiency and premature gray hair who received B12 supplementation experienced regrowth of pigmented hair within 3 to 6 months. The gray hair already present didn't change color, but new growth showed improved pigmentation. The most critical nutrient for reversing gray hair is vitamin B12, which is essential for melanocyte function. Research shows that B12 deficiency is surprisingly common, affecting vegetarians, vegans, older adults, people taking certain medications, and those with digestive disorders. Studies demonstrate that taking 1,000 to 2,000 micrograms of methylcobalamin daily can correct deficiency and support melanin production. Copper is absolutely essential for melanin synthesis because it's required for the tyrosinase enzyme. Research reveals that copper deficiency causes premature graying, and ensuring adequate copper intake through diet or supplementation supports pigment production. Studies show that consuming copper-rich foods like shellfish, nuts, seeds, and organ meats or taking 1 to 2 milligrams of copper daily helps maintain adequate levels. Catalase enzyme supplements may help break down hydrogen peroxide that accumulates in hair follicles and bleaches hair from the inside. Research shows that catalase levels decrease with age, allowing peroxide buildup. Studies demonstrate that supplementing with catalase derived from natural sources may help protect melanocytes. The dietary approach involves consuming foods rich in these critical nutrients. Include animal products for vitamin B12 unless vegetarian or vegan, in which case supplementation is essential. Eat copper-rich foods like oysters, cashews, sunflower seeds, and dark chocolate. Ensure adequate protein intake from sources like chicken, fish, eggs, dairy, legumes, and soy products to provide tyrosine. The third crucial method for reversing gray hair at home without chemicals involves reducing chronic stress and making lifestyle modifications that support melanocyte health. Research from psychosomatic medicine shows that chronic stress directly accelerates graying through multiple biological mechanisms, including oxidative stress, inflammation, and hormonal disruption. The mechanism involves chronic stress elevating cortisol levels, which increases oxidative damage throughout your body, including in hair follicles. Studies reveal that stress generates free radicals that harm melanocytes, impair their function, and accelerate the depletion of melanin-producing cells. Think about how stress affects every system in your body, and your hair follicles are no exception to this damage. Research demonstrates that acute severe stress can trigger a condition where pigmented hairs are preferentially shed, leaving gray hairs behind and creating the appearance of rapid graying. Studies show that chronic ongoing stress creates continuous damage to melanocytes through oxidative stress and inflammation that impairs their ability to produce melanin. Studies show that chronic ongoing stress creates continuous damage to melanocytes through oxidative stress and inflammation that impairs their ability to produce melanin. The most effective stress reduction techniques backed by research include daily meditation or mindfulness practice. Studies show that just 10 to 20 minutes of meditation daily reduces cortisol levels, lowers inflammation markers, and decreases oxidative stress throughout the body. Research demonstrates that regular meditation practitioners have better cellular health markers, including slower aging. Regular exercise is crucial for managing stress and supporting overall health, including hair pigmentation. Research reveals that moderate exercise 30 minutes daily 5 days per week reduces stress hormones, improves circulation including to the scalp, and enhances antioxidant defenses. Studies show that people who exercise regularly have lower rates of premature aging, including graying. Quality sleep is essential for cellular repair and melanocyte function. Research demonstrates that chronic sleep deprivation increases oxidative stress, elevates cortisol, and impairs cellular regeneration. Studies show that prioritizing 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep nightly supports hair health and may help slow graying by allowing proper cellular repair processes. If you're finding this helpful, please take a moment to hit that thumbs up button. It really helps this video reach other people who might not know these natural methods for reversing gray hair at home without any chemicals. The fourth powerful method involves using natural topical treatments and herbal hair rinses that have been used traditionally for darkening gray hair and supporting melanin production. Research from ethnobotany and traditional medicine shows that certain herbs and natural substances contain compounds that may help restore hair pigmentation when applied regularly. The mechanism involves various plant compounds providing antioxidants that protect melanocytes, minerals that support enzyme function, and potentially compounds that directly stimulate melanin production. Studies reveal that consistent application of these natural treatments over several months may help darken existing gray hair while supporting better pigmentation in new growth. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is one of the most revered herbs in Ayurvedic medicine for hair health and reversing graying. Research shows that amla is exceptionally rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that protect hair follicles from oxidative damage. Studies demonstrate that amla may support melanin production and hair pigmentation when used regularly as a hair treatment. The application involves making an amla paste by mixing amla powder with water or coconut oil to form a thick paste. Apply this to your scalp and hair, focusing on gray areas. Leave it on for 30 to 60 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Research suggests using this treatment 2 to 3 times weekly for several months to see potential results. Black tea rinse provides natural darkening effects for gray hair. Research shows that black tea contains tannins and antioxidants that can coat hair strands and provide temporary darkening while potentially supporting scalp health. Studies demonstrate that regular use may create cumulative effects over time. Prepare a strong black tea rinse by steeping 3 to 4 black tea bags in 2 cups of boiling water for 30 minutes. Allow it to cool completely, then use it as a final rinse after shampooing. Pour it over your hair, massage it into your scalp, and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing. Research suggests using this 2 to 3 times weekly for gradual darkening effects. Curry leaves have been used traditionally in Indian hair care for promoting pigmentation. Research from traditional medicine shows that curry leaves contain compounds including beta-carotene and protein that support hair health. Make a curry leaf treatment by boiling a handful of fresh curry leaves in coconut oil until they turn black. Strain the oil and allow it to cool. Massage this oil into your scalp and leave it on for at least 30 minutes before washing. Onion juice contains high levels of catalase enzyme and sulfur compounds that support hair health. Research demonstrates that onion juice application may help reverse gray hair by providing catalase to break down hydrogen peroxide accumulation in follicles. Studies show improved hair growth with onion juice treatment. The biggest mistake people make when trying to reverse gray hair at home is using harsh chemical treatments or applying natural remedies inconsistently while continuing lifestyle habits that accelerate graying. Here's the critical truth. You cannot reverse gray hair if you're simultaneously damaging your melanocytes faster than natural treatments can repair them. The mechanism involves understanding that gray hair reversal through natural methods requires months of consistent application combined with addressing the underlying causes. Studies show that people who try a natural remedy for 2 weeks, see no immediate results, and give up never experience the benefits that require at least 3 to 6 months of consistent use to become visible. Think about the unrealistic expectations many people have with natural treatments. Research demonstrates that harsh chemical dyes might provide instant coverage but damage hair and scalp over time, while natural methods work slowly but address root causes. Studies show that patience and consistency are essential for natural reversal. Another critical mistake is continuing to smoke, consume excessive alcohol, eat a nutrient-poor diet high in sugar and processed foods, live with chronic, unmanaged stress, and get inadequate sleep while using natural hair treatments. Research reveals that these destructive habits create oxidative stress and inflammation that overwhelm any benefits from topical treatments or supplements. The solution is committing to comprehensive lifestyle changes alongside natural treatments. Stop smoking completely, as research shows smoking dramatically accelerates graying through oxidative damage. Limit alcohol to moderate levels, as studies demonstrate that excessive drinking depletes B vitamins and increases oxidative stress. Eliminate added sugars and processed foods that create inflammation throughout your body, including in hair follicles. Ensure you're getting adequate sleep, managing stress through daily practices, and eating a nutrient-dense diet rich in the vitamins and minerals melanocytes need. Research demonstrates that natural gray hair reversal requires a holistic approach addressing all factors that influence melanocyte health, not just applying an oil or taking a supplement. If this video helped you understand how to reverse gray hair at home without chemicals using natural methods, please share it with someone who could benefit from this information. Make sure to subscribe to HairThrive for more evidence-based content about natural hair health. Hit that notification bell so you never miss videos that could help you reverse gray hair naturally. Thanks for watching and trusting me to share these natural chemical-free methods for reversing gray hair. I'll see you in the next video.